So you want to make barrel rifling. This is actually super easy to do. Though there are many ways you can do this, I'm going to show you the method that I use the majority of the time to achieve nice clean geometry. I got you. So we're going to start off with creating a 32-sided cylinder and creating a basic barrel shape to work with. Now that we have this made, we're going to now create the lanes of the rifling. We're going to want to select half of the polygons, so every 2 polygons, select 2 polygons. And then find extrude face along normals, and give the lanes some depth. Once we're happy with this, we're going to want to select all of the faces on the inside up until the bevel leading to the outer faces and separate them. Next, create an edge ring and increase the count, in this instance 64. Add a simple deform modifier and change the axis till it matches the orientation of your barrel. In this instance, it's the y-axis. Next, increase the angle to 90 degrees. This will line the vertices up with the outer rim of the barrel, creating clean geometry. Now that this is done, apply the modifier and join these 2 meshes back together. Now we just need to select all the vertices and merge them by distance, so we don't have any gaps in the mesh. To make it look pretty with the subdivision modifier, we need to add some support edges. Create edge rings on the inside of the barrel like this, and some here, and here. Next, we need to support the edges of the lanes so they don't turn to mush when the sub-D modifier is active. Place an edge loop on the inside of the lanes like so. And again some more towards the edges like this. This should be enough for this example. We just need to fix the new edges so that they don't cause any pinching. So to fix this, we're going to use the Loop Tools add-on that's built into Blender to circularize the edge loops so the space between each vert is nice and even and perfectly circular. The tool is called Circle. I'll repeat this on the outer edges but leave the lanes as they are. Then when this is done, I'll make sure to enable Shade Smooth so there's no normal issues conflicting with the subdivisional modifier. And we'll add that sub-D modifier. And there we have it, barrel rifling. Nice and easy. Thanks once again to the community over at Pilgrims Lounge, where there's been a bunch of tutorial requests, including for this one, which came from the one and only EA, who suggested a simple tutorial on how to make barrel rifling. So if you have any ideas for a tutorial, feel free to join the Discord, say hello and drop a suggestion. Peace!